brace yourself. Demolition is an art, precision, power, and perfect timing. Collapsing silos, water towers, and massive structures. But sometimes plans fail. These moments don't end fast. They drag on, tense and unpredictable. What happens when a concrete giant meets backyard bravado? Built in the 1960s, over 100 feet tall and once the tallest farm silo in the county, this structure faced a plan involving 0 professionals, 1 Dodge Intrepid, and gravity. The pull was mistimed. The collapse went sideways, and somehow, absurdly, smart physics still won, jaw-dropping.
Let it drop, it would have kept going. I would have damaged the mount house.
1 million gallons of water came down, but not perfectly. Rising more than 30 meters, this water tower stood over the heart of Dublin, engineered to fold inward. Then a twist, a pause, and a failure. Engineering met gravity. Silence settled over what remained.
Here goes. Stand out of the way, please.
How does an 11-story landmark vanish in seconds? The Sir John Carling building was brought down by 400 kilo of explosives in a masterclass of precision engineering. One moment, it was a pillar of history. The next, it was gone, leaving nothing but dust. The Springfield power plant chimney fell in the wrong direction, crushing a transformer building and severing power lines. It's a textbook example of how even a minor error in calculation can lead to a catastrophic site failure.
Oh, I don't think that was supposed to happen.
This moment feels like the silence before a storm. A mechanical arm reaches up, touching the weathered body of an old silo, an industrial symbol on the brink of disappearance. In just a few minutes, this memory of steel and concrete will collapse.
Jetzt würde ich sagen, gleich ist 5 vor 12. Jetzt neigt er sich, jetzt fällt er. Satan Ziege. Der liegt unten. What about?
Oh my God.
200 feet, one perfectly safe and satisfying collapse. The Windsor demolition remains a flawless display of engineering. Seeing that much power handled with such rigor is truly impressive.
See, they told us.
In Grande Prairie, that crane was more than steel. Raised in 1985, it stood watch for 27 years. An era fades, something new begins. One wrong moment can turn confidence into a quick fail, proving why real skill and safe handling matter. Oh no. Silence breaks into thunder as explosives ignite in sequence, collapsing rock walls with precision while dust rises and gravity reshapes the land. What disappears first when progress arrives? A replica farmhouse, once a living lab for Wright State University nursing students, stood beneath Ohio's largest linden tree until its removal in February 2016, when SafeDem began reshaping Bethany Village from the ground up. Oh no, demolition does not always follow the plan. The structure falls the wrong way, a shocking failure, saved only by professional skill and hard-earned experience. It stood for decades. Built in the 1970s, Merrim's cooling tower fell in seconds, precision engineering turning a familiar giant into silence and dust. Oh no, was that really how it was supposed to go, or did the plan quietly give up halfway through? Think you know how a water tower dies? Watch the old Parker Tower fold in a controlled collapse, then wait for that final boom. A 1,200-ton crane drops in Freeport and tilts the wrong way. A near failure saved by professional control. Why waste time and money with a drop ball? The Fractum model 100 breaks red-hot slag skulls directly inside the pot. Controlled power, safer operation, and smart engineering doing the hard work efficiently. On East Douglas Avenue in Wichita, Kansas, at 2:15 p.m. on Wednesday, September 20th, 2017, a SafeDem wrecking ball struck the old Wichita Eagle building. Each hit tore open an elevator shaft, the sound echoing through downtown, marking the moment the past finally stepped aside. Hold your breath. A retired Air France 747 faces its final moments. Hydraulic cutters scream through metal as crews move in tight sync. One wrong move, and everything changes. This is controlled destruction, tense and deliberate. A giant comes apart piece by piece, and the silence after each cut says it all.
There we go.
When a skyline icon becomes a risk, history comes down. Built in the 1960s, Glasgow's Red Road fell in a precise inward blast. City holding its breath as the ground answered. No countdown, no explosion, just raw control. In Gebwiller, a roughly 40-ton machine under SafeDem supervision allows Ferrari Demolition to peel the structure apart, proving smart engineering can be just as dramatic as a blast. A nervous calm breaks as Big Sandy's cooling tower falls, retired by new rules, dropped with precise, satisfying control.
before, and they told us they liked us, we'd be there a lifetime.
Correct.
It stood quietly for generations facing the Gulf. Built in the 1970s, the South Padre Island Ocean Tower fell by timed charges, precision engineering closing a chapter filled with memories. Built in the 1960s, the Roumedi Viaduct stretched 450 meters and towered 70 meters over Germany's A45 until failure forced a decision. Engineers used 330 pounds of explosives, collapsing it inward by design. Smart engineering, born from failure. And the crowd felt it. How does it feel to see Viaducto Italia, once carrying endless journeys along Autostrada A3, fall silent when SafeDem drops Campata 4 near the Grand Luce?
And 5, 4,
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Three, two, one.
Isn't it emotional to see a silo that once stored harvests collapse in seconds, as Nesbitt's Silo Demolition carries on a legacy built in Ontario, one controlled fall at a time?
And 3, 2, 1.
Four, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah!
There she goes. Okay.
If this moment stayed with you, if it made you pause, think, or feel that quiet weight after the dust settled, show your support with a like and hit subscribe. Every click helps us uncover more powerful stories, rare footage, and unseen moments that deserve to be remembered. Your support keeps this channel moving forward, one story at a time. Until next time, stay curious, stay observant, and never stop looking closer.